First, though, day 3 of the penalty phase in Markeith Loyd's murder trial is off to a late start. Why testimony from an Orange County deputy is now in question.
That deputy says he saw police officers beating Loyd before taking him into custody back in 2017. Glad you're with us. I'm Justin Warmoth.
And I'm Kirsten O'Connor, in for Bridget Ellison. This all comes as Markeith Loyd's defense team is calling more witnesses to the stand. News 6's Amanda Castro is live outside the Orange County Courthouse. And Amanda, lawyers on both sides are still arguing about what jurors should know about Loyd's arrest.
Yeah, Kirsten, and there was a moment of contention about that Orange County Sheriff's deputy's testimony and what he says he saw during Loyd's arrest. Now, the judge was able to hear from that Detective Greg McQuitter. The jury was not present at the time. He told the judge that he saw law enforcement officers beating Loyd while he was taken into custody, and he was going to testify about Loyd not getting immediate medical attention. But the state argued jurors don't need to hear from him because they've seen the helicopter video showing Loyd's arrest, and new this morning the judge allowed a photo of Loyd into evidence that shows the injuries he sustained after he was arrested. The defense says the detective's testimony goes to use of force, talking about the beating that wasn't captured on that helicopter video when it turned away. But prosecutors say it's not necessary.
Your Honor, in a ruling that they could admit the video and nothing after the video, and Mr. Loyd could testify to it. And now deputies are testifying to additional non-specific strikes from non-specific officers. And my understanding of the court's ruling was that this was not going to turn into a free-for-all on law enforcement.
What this detective observed is when they then approach, while the video is long, they put him in handcuffs and the striking continues. And so it is misleading to the jury to suggest that he was only struck once.
The judge said she's going to rule on the detective's testimony later today and decide what, if anything, he can tell the jurors. We also heard from several members of Loyd's family as well as friends who testified this morning, talking about his character and his upbringing. Now, what's unclear right now is if Loyd will take the stand during this penalty phase. He did speak for nearly 4 hours during the guilt phase of his murder trial earlier this month. We, of course, will continue to listen in the proceedings and bring you the very latest starting on News 6 at 4. But for now, live in Orange County, Amanda Castro getting results, News 6.
Thank you, Amanda.